Hi everyone, welcome back. September 28th, this is the last day of the trading week, and I wanted to go back to the dollar versus the Swiss franc, because what's going on here is nothing short of remarkable, and I actually predicted this very scenario. Now, if you remember, we're following here a big setup coming from the monthly chart. It is a pretty well established trading range that presents three legs, right? Now, we have suggested that we're basically in the middle of the fourth leg, which means that we should end up eventually at the upper section, starting with the level of 0.0118. Remember that? Now, the downside move we had here over the the last couple of months was starting to threat the mid-low key level 96.51, which I declared as a huge support level. And when the price was trading well below that level and starting to come to pull back, I said specifically that I think that by the end of the month, price will go back and establish itself well above that level, which would mean that this was just a local downside correction for this upside segment. And the implications are pretty clear. We're gonna go back. We're gonna resume the original upside move, and we're gonna build up the next upside segment, right? The third segment that should go, I believe, well deep into the upper section, right? Not only to 108.18, but that's just the safest level. I think it's gonna go much higher. It's gonna take the previous highs, which are around 103 roughly, and maybe at that point it will begin to change direction, shift the bullish trend onto a bearish trend, but that's a long way to go, right? So we're definitely very much bullish on the long-term perspective. Now let me take you to the short-term perspective. I mean, not less interesting, by the way, because first I took out profit. I took out probably around 60% of the position. Now, I said specifically I'm taking this long term all the way to 101.18, but you can see that there is this local trading range, a second setup. This is the purple system here. And the level of 97.40 here, this was an important secondary target. So I took profit at this point at 97.40, and I took some more profit as price crossed the previous high. Now, it's not that I don't believe or don't think that price will continue and break that 97.93. This is the only threat as far as the resistance goes that blocks the positive momentum right now. Now, like I said, it's not that I don't think there's going to be a breakout. I actually do think there's going to be a breakout. This is why I'm still in this position. However, I'm a bit concerned that there's going to be a downside correction that could be swift, touching base with the 96.78 before rising up again to actually break that setup, right? So that's my main concern. The fact that only if price continues on the upside, right, and we got a break on the 97.93, just a clean break, close above that level on the daily chart, that would probably be enough for me to re-increase the position again and try to do that all the way to 101.18. That's our final destination. Alright, should be interesting stuff here. Dollar versus the Swiss franc. What a move we had here yesterday. Explosive move. We'll take it up from here and we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, I'll say goodbye. We'll see you in the next video.